Hi folks, getting ready to bring my new computer desk up. I won't be in my jammed up corner anymore. I've already started to move some of my stuff, but I wanted to give you a little before and after deal. About an hour or so, get my computer all unhooked. I'll be ready to work on my new computer desk. Well, there it is. I finally got it in. Well, actually, I got it in yesterday, but I didn't have all my wires tied up. I ran out of steam, so I quit. Finished it up this morning. Took me about 2 hours of laying on the floor, climbing up and down to get all those wires tied up out of the way so they're not visible. Turn the lights on so you can get a little bit better look. Of course, my wife, she was already over there working on her laptop. She found a new spot. That'll actually be my spot to do my book work, but she's welcome to use that side, as long as she isn't in my way. Now all I gotta do is get my top unit made. Of course, provisions will have to be made to run the wire for the printer and my speaker wires and the modems and stuff. I'll probably put them on a shelf eventually. Got my little shelf made there for my keyboard to slide out on. That works real well. I'm rather pleased with it. Like I said, I got to get my top unit done, and I have these blocks setting underneath my tower right now. I'm actually going to make a little box there and put a drawer in it so I can put my CDs in it. That'll bring my tower up off the floor. I think it'll work well. I'll probably work on that a little bit this afternoon and get that out of the way. And to show you that that was my idea of my cutout, so I could get my chair over there when I'm not using it. Put it underneath there. You have plenty of room to walk in between the coffee table and the desk now. I'm not all jammed in. I actually added another power outlet right there. I can plug my printer in and my transformer for my speakers, and the other transformer that's up there in that corner, I actually took some sticky Velcro and stuck it to the transformer in my board there and stuck it fast. It worked pretty well. And the other ones are all stuck up in there underneath that, well, above the tower. Can't really see them, but they're in there. And those wires I really didn't do a lot with because I'm going to have to pull that back out of there anyway. Okay folks, there's my old computer desk. It's free for the taking. Anybody that lives close enough to me that would like to have it, may have it. There's absolutely nothing wrong with it. All the drawers work fine. They're not broke. There's a power outlet. Has phone jacks and all that fancy stuff in it. That goes with it. The lid to the keyboard, or door to the keyboard, lays there on top. I took it off. I didn't really care for it. I have a door down in my shop that belongs on that end. I had my tower in there, and I was afraid it wouldn't be able to breathe if I had the door on it. There is some scuff marks on the top of it because I slid the mouse around without using a mouse pad, and some nicks in the edge from me whacking my chair against it. But other than that, there's absolutely nothing wrong with this desk. I just want to say thanks to all my subscribers for watching this project as I build it. There'll be plenty more projects to come. As soon as I'm done with the top unit on this and get my little box made with my drawer in it, I'm thinking about maybe starting a gun cabinet. My wife's son needs one, and he's asked me to build one for him. It'll be a long process, but I know I can get it done. And thanks again.